Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Cadillac Escalade versus the Hummer H2. We'll explore their distinct design philosophies, from the Escalade's opulent interior to the H2's robust, military-inspired exterior. We'll also delve into their performance, assessing engine power, towing capabilities, and crucial differences in fuel efficiency. Get ready for a comprehensive breakdown of these iconic vehicles. The Cadillac Escalade is renowned for its elegant design, offering a plush, quiet cabin with premium materials and advanced infotainment. In contrast, the Hummer H2 makes a statement with its aggressive, wide stance and utilitarian aesthetic, built for conquering tough terrain. Performance-wise, the Escalade typically boasts a more powerful engine, often exceeding 400 horsepower, providing a smoother, more refined driving experience on pavement. When it comes to capability, the Escalade excels as a comfortable, long-distance cruiser, offering a refined ride quality and ample space for passengers and cargo. The Hummer H2, however, is purpose-built for extreme off-roading, featuring high ground clearance, robust suspension, and four-wheel drive systems designed for challenging environments. While both are large SUVs, their intended uses and driving dynamics are distinctly different. Finally, let's consider practicality and value. The Escalade generally offers more interior refinement and cargo flexibility for everyday family use, while the Hummer H2's unique appeal often translates to a niche market. Resale value and ongoing maintenance costs are also significant factors to weigh. Before you go, make sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.